Okay, so I got a 2010 F-150 4x4. I doubt that matters though, and spare tire holder is broken. So what you want to do to take it out, you want to get a 13mm socket and a ratchet or a wrench, it don't matter. And I already took this bolt out. It was pretty easy. I didn't even have to spray blaster on it or nothing. 8-year-old truck didn't need none of that stuff. Meter nuts. I don't think that matters all that much. Yeah, you bring that. Oh man, terrible. Bring that through and down, and then how you get this out? Oh. Then you pull this out this way, and then this should come out pretty darn easy. Or so I thought. Okay. Yep, there you go. That's a spare tire carrier. Okay, so here's the carrier for the spare tire. And I thought it was broke, but it was really dirty. Clean off the dirt. Remove this plastic piece from right here with a couple screwdrivers. Push on it like that. And then clean the dirt out of it and take this, the part that you use to get the spare tire down, you twist on it and it should break loose and start working. I was able to get it to do all that. I'm about to go put it on because it's working now. Finally get that spare tire out of the bed. And so if you do a lot of off-roading and it's dirty, clean it up first before you go buy a new one, because that might just be all it needs. Because especially around here, see how it's all shiny and new looking now? Clean it up. Just take a screwdriver and knock the dirt on it, and that should be it. Anyways, post another video of this carrier being put back on. Alright, I'm back again with the spare tire carrier. 13mm socket, same as if you took it off, but in case someone didn't see the first part of the video, there you go. Okay, got the spare tire right there. The little guide for this right here, that'll go on last. And I'll show you guys how to put this on. And I'll put the spare tire on and show you the finished product. So what you want to do, you want to take this, see these little hooks right here? They're gonna be like this. You need to take them screws out. Good. Oh. Okay. And you put it up in there. Whew. And then just hooks on, like so. how long I wanted to see that tire under this truck.